What is up, YouTube? I got some help with me this time, and what are we gonna be making? What are we gonna show them how to make?
A Jason mask.
What are we gonna make for the mask? Eye screens. I want to make a quick video and show you guys how to make some eye screens to go in your mask. For this mask, which is being given away in our other video, so check that out and make sure you subscribe and comment down below to be entered to win. The first step is going to be to go out and get you a roll of this screen door material. This regular screen door material, make sure it's not fiberglass, and if it is, make sure it's got some sort of plastic coating over it. Just fiberglass and eyeballs, not cool. Not cool. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, so we've got a screen that we cut into a strip. It's about 2 inches wide, 1.5 2 inches wide, I don't know, 8 inches long. We're going to fold that in half, crease it right at the center point. And we're going to slip our pair of scissors inside that and just snip right halfway. So now you got 2 even pieces. And we're gonna take a flat iron. This is Mom's, isn't it, Paisley? We're not gonna tell her that we're using this. We're gonna keep that a secret. Anyways, you take one piece, fold it in half. If you don't have a flat iron, you can use anything that could produce that kind of heat. I got this set at 325, so even a regular iron would do the trick. We're gonna take that, we're gonna stick it about halfway down in there and pinch it shut. Hold it for about 5 seconds. And then just do that just to pull it off a little bit quicker, make it easier to handle. Same thing on the other side, about 5 seconds. Boom. There's one. Now we're just going to do the same exact thing for the second one. Can you count that out for me? Okay. Good. Boss. Flip her around. Like a champ. And that's it. And then these are going to be a bit bigger. A bit bigger than the holes. So you can just trim those up. But once you're done, you're going to have something that looks something like that. Again, just want to make a quick video on how to do that. I thought about it earlier. And also, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. If you're not a mom yet, better luck next year. What are we going to make sure we do, Paisley? What do you want them to do? What do you got to tell them?
Subscribe to our channel.
That's right. And until next time, take it easy.